Hey everybody, it's your boy Darth Revan, and in this video, I'm going to update you on my Nerf Prometheus and what time it most likely is going to arrive, as well as this Lego mock or this Lego set that I've redesigned using parts from other Lego sets. So, I tried to originally make this a gunship, putting the wings or where the landing gear is sitting at. The little, mast here, or whatever you want to call this. I don't really know what to call it right now, but these are wings from the Resistance Bomber, the Resistance Bomber set. This is a Lego Humvee wheel right here, off-brand Lego Humvee wheel. This came from the Lego Anti-Gravity set that I reviewed and put together a while ago. The front landing gear is from my Kobe Vickers Wellington Mark II bomber that I've had for a long time now, about several months. But this is more of a redesign using other pieces from other sets just to redesign the police helicopter. I can't remember what the set was called, but it was Police Helicopter Pursuit. I did a video on this a long time ago when I first got the set. But yeah, I think I did a time lapse of me building it too, but I don't remember. But anyway, what inspired me to not make a gunship out of this was not only did the gunship idea not work out, but I also got inspiration from the Skylift from GTA 5, or the heavy lift helicopters, or the aerial cranes, or whatever you want to call them. I've heard them going by a couple different names, but I'm just going to call this one the Skylift because, it just sounds cool. But other than that, I like this quote-unquote aerial crane a lot, but as you can see, there's no Lego figures in the cockpit, but this is a Lego set, so who cares? But I designed all this from scratch, believe it or not. I really like it, like I said, but still got the light up front. Well, the changes I made to this Lego helicopter were took off the little prongs that stuck out to put the pontoons on there. Because originally this was almost like a seaplane / helicopter, or a helicopter with seaplane like pontoons on it. But other than that, I only changed this part and about not like right behind the rotor. I didn't change anything else. But yeah, there you go. About my Nerf Prometheus. My Nerf Prometheus is apparently going to be here at the 22nd at the latest. It's still not here today. It's been sitting at the carrier facility for 18 hours now, I think, or 17 hours. But it's been sitting there for a really long time, a lot longer than it should have been sitting there. But it is what it is, and I'm just going to have to accept it because that's just a factor of life. Not going to get everything you want. So yeah, there you go. I hate to say it, but it's just a factor of life. That's a good word of wisdom too, but yeah. I'm gonna open up the cockpit here so you can see what's in there. Open it up. Like I did say that there was no one in the cockpit, but no Lego figures in there, but I'm gonna figure out what Lego figures I do want to fit in here. Because I was thinking about putting some Lego clone troopers in there, which would be cool. But yeah, other than that though, I'm just really, unhappy with my Nerf Prometheus not arriving and just really running late. But like I said, I'm just gonna have to accept it because, and it was worse. The worst part about that though is not my fault. It's UPS's fault. But other than that, I'm Revan Skywalker. That was my Nerf Prometheus update, as well as my aerial crane / heavy lift helicopter Lego mock / renovation. See you next time. Bye.